Let's take out these two boards and place the side with the letter A facing up. Let's assemble these two boards together. Let's take out 4 random wooden boards and place them underneath. This will make it easier for us to secure the screws. Please note that the side with the label A must be facing upwards. And we need to place the two sides without holes facing forward. This is very important. Take out the side panel with the A1 label. Use bag 2 to secure it onto the base panel we just assembled. Please make sure that the A side is facing outward. Next, take out the side panel with the A2 label. Use bag 2 to secure it onto the base panel we just assembled. Please double check if the positions of these 3 components are correct. Take out the octagonal top panel and place the side with the A label facing up, with the two sides without holes facing forward. Use the screws from bag 2 to secure it to the side panels. Next, install the 4 random wooden boards. Use the screws from bag 2 to secure them in place. Please note that the side with the A label should be facing outward. Repeat the above steps to install the remaining 3 boards. Please note that the side with the A label should be facing outward. Take out the A2 board and the A1 board. Use the screws from bag 1 to secure them together with the hinge. Install the other side in the same way using the same method. That completes the assembly.